Hello students, lastly we made a one program. This is the program that we made, that is the demo1.html. We first of all create the structure of HTML and then made up one program. Title is my program, and in the body part I write down one sentence about school, that is the Podar International School, and the output of this program is this. Okay, this is my program means title. This is the path of the document जहाँ पे आपने सेव किया उसको, and this is the body structure, right? So now we are going, this is the web page that will be displayed. Okay, now we are going to learn the more tags. Okay, simply अभी हमने जो भी लिखा वो आपको डिस्प्ले हुआ. अब हम क्या करेंगे, टैग्स लेंगे, डिफरेंट टाइप्स के टैग्स को यूज़ करेंगे और हमारा जो वेब पेज होगा उसको अट्रैक्टिव बनाने का ट्राई करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी लर्न अबाउट द बेसिक HTML टैग्स. HTML consists of the tags, each of which convey a special meaning of browser. ओके, सारे टैग्स के लिए अलग अलग उसका मीनिंग होता है. जैसे कि हमने स्ट्रक्चर में लिया कि HTML टैग, अगर आपको HTML डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है, यू हैव टू बी कंपल्सरी यूज द HTML टैग. टाइटल टैग, हेड टैग मीन्स फॉर द हेडिंग ऑफ द वेब पेज वी हैव टू बी यूज दिस बोथ टैग्स. Body tags means for creating the attractive web page we are using the body tag, and in the body tag we are using the different tags. Each tag is normally paired with the starting and the ending tag. As we see here, this is the starting tag HTML, this is the ending tag. If we write the slash, then it's a ending tag. Head, you can see starting tag, this is the ending tag. Body, starting tag, ending tag. Title, starting tag, ending tag. The ending tag has a slash placed before the tag name. Okay, as we see in the structure of the HTML. Types of tag, there are two types of tag mainly we have to be used in the HTML. First one is the paired tag. Okay, a tag which has an opening and the closing pair is called the container tag. This tag usually contains some other tags or the tags. Okay, paired tag, two types of tag. First one is the paired tag. In the paired tag, what will be happen, in this tag there is a pair of tags. First one is the opening tag and second one is the closing tag. Okay, you can see here, this is the pair tag. Why? It's this tag have an opening tag as well as the closing tag. This is the opening tag, this is the closing tag. So this is the pair tag or container tag. The other name of pair tag is the container tag. Examples: when we go ahead with the chapter, we learn one by one text. So just now remember, you can also write down here the HTML tag, the head tag, the body tag, the title tag, all are the paired tags. Second is the unpaired tag. There are some other tags which do not have a corresponding closing tag. जैसे कि हमने पेयर टैग में देखा कि उसके साथ ऑलरेडी क्लोजिंग टैग रहता है. दिस जैसे कि यहाँ पे है आई ओपनिंग टैग, आई क्लोजिंग टैग. आई सिंपल यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग टैग है, मतलब वो पेयर टैग है. दो हुए मतलब वो पेयर टैग है. बट फॉर अनपेयर टैग व्हाट विल बी हैपन, इट डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ द क्लोजिंग टैग. इट्स अ only one tag. There are some other tags which do not have a corresponding closing tag. They are called the empty tags also. This is called the non-empty tags also. Two names of paired tag. One is the container tag and second is the non-empty tags. And for unpaired tag, its other name is the empty tags. Example: BR, HR. We learn about this tags in detail later. Next is the creating the headings. We are going to learn the one by one tags. First one is the heading. For example, कभी आप कोई वेबसाइट ओपन करते हो, I just give an example for the Podar International School. When you search about the Kodar International School, what will be happen? First of all, it suggests the heading name. उसका नाम जो होगा वो आपको heading में दिखाई देगा, वो bold होगा या फिर उसके जो font होंगे थोड़े बड़े होंगे, means it's a one type of heading. So now for the web page we are doing that. First, heading tag. These are the heading tag. There are the 6 heading tags. First one is the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Actually the output is also given to you. Let's see. H1 formats the text enclosed as the largest heading. सबसे बड़ी heading जो होगी वो H1 होगी. Second is the H2. Format the text enclosed as the next largest heading. First is the largest is the H1, second largest is the H2, third largest H3, fourth largest H4, fifth largest is the H5, and the smallest is the H6. You have to just remember this all the things. Means H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. Format the text enclosed as the smallest heading. Let's see one of the demo for this. I already made the structure of this program. HTML tag, head tag, title tag. Name of the title is the simple program for text. Then use the body tag. Now I am going to use the H1 tag. Okay, I am just writing simple heading 1 and close the H1. H1 is the paired tag. Okay, simple. First of all, I have to be save this heading text, and you have to be select the HTML. Okay, and you have to be do the save. You can see the changes will be here, and I will just minimize this all the things and show you the output. This is the use heading tag. Double click and you can see the heading 1. Simple program for text. I already write here. You can see the output also here. I am using now H2, heading 2, heading, H2 closed. I just take an example for till H6. I will be changed. Okay, this will be the H3. Here is also H3, H4, changes will be here. Sorry, it's a 5, 6, and here also 3. Okay, save and see the output. Refresh this. You can see the output. H1 biggest text, lowest, second, third lowest, fourth, fifth, and the smallest. Okay, these all are the heading text. You can see this and you can use it. Okay, now I am going to end this session. Next time on the virtual, tomorrow we meet in the virtual class and we use more of the text. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye everyone.